What's the meaning of clock? Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock. A clock is a device used to measure and display the time, either electronically or mechanically. It typically consists of a circular dial or digital display, marked with numbers or symbols indicating the hours, minutes, and seconds. The clock is driven by a power source, such as a battery or a winding mechanism, and can be found in various forms, including wall clocks, wristwatches, alarm clocks, and digital clocks. Accurate timekeeping has been an important human pursuit for centuries, and clocks have become an essential tool for coordinating activities across different locations and time zones.